Every once in a while, I remember to do an unboxing or opening of a package. Well, I was waiting for this package today, and I'm so excited to open it. This was an order I placed with Shannon. She's in my Facebook group. I get her last name wrong, so I can't pronounce it. But I had ordered a few things. Oh, I can tell you right now. Look how cute. See, I didn't even order that, and that was like my first gift. Oh, isn't that cute? And my favorite color is green, so that's an adorable little zipper pouch. Thank you. Oh, see, I just thought these little cup cozies were so cute. And of course it's green. It's not my design, but that's adorable. I chose that one because it's green. That one might be for me. Oops. Look at these little earrings. The details in them. So pretty. I bought these for my daughter. I'm wearing a little headband. I'm going to start wearing headbands, just so y'all know. How cute. Oh, and this should be my little... Yeah, everything is packaged so nicely. This should be like a little place to hold my cup, and then this wraps around. Oh, see, this is better than I thought it would be. You wrap it around your cup with handles on it. I adore that. It's so soft and squishy. And I think that was all I ordered. Oh, what a fun package. Thank you so much, Shannon. I'm thrilled.